Thank you for reaching FDC4 production. Welcome back, my brothers and sisters from my different mothers. Thank you for your eternal support. Thank you for your unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for sticking around for Thank you for your subscriptions to the channel. It's helping and it's gaining traction. It's telling me that this is working. And we aiming straight to the 100K subscribers. This channel can do it. We're gonna make it. Sticking it for strong. 3 videos a day. Doing the best I can and bringing value to yourself. But the best of everything is for free. Today I want to share with you something that you may use to your own advantage for those who like to be, dealing with social media, updating your pictures, altering your pictures, making some altering some modification here and there. But you don't have to deal with Photoshop. This photo editor, animation and design is basically a free version of the old Photoshop if you want to touch your Instagram post before they go public. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you Pixlr. Welcome to Pixlr, the #1 in photo editing and design tools. Edit photos and create stunning designs right in your browser, on your phone or desktop for free. Start from an empty canvas, a picture, a video, or select one of our professionally crafted templates. Pixlr has it all. We have 3 sections, which is the Pixlr X, quick and easy design, strongly recommended for those who are actually really on the quick. We have Pixlr E, advanced photo editor, and then we have the Photo Mesh Studio, which is the one-click visual creator, make visual assets. Let's start with the Pixlr X. But before we do that, let's actually check a little bit more about this. Look at this, design the templates. Start designing from professionally crafted templates. Create a YouTube banner, Instagram story, resume, brochure, business card, presentations, or the perfect sales pitch with a growing library of thousands of stunning and free templates. Animations. Animate any design in just a few clicks with Pixlr. Use professional looking animation, presets, or get into the gritty timeline details and capture your audience in a way that simple images just can't. Remove the background. Have you seen yourself getting in trouble doing your thumbnails for YouTube, and you cannot just remove the background of it because you have some problem going on with it? Erase backgrounds in your photos with ease. Instant AI power background removal in a single click. So fast, too easy. Now you can remove background from portraits, selfies, profile pictures, and more in seconds. Picture collage maker. Need to assemble photos on the fly? Create photo collages free online with our built-in pre-made collages templates. Templates. Just select a layout, upload my images, and start editing. Filters and effects. Transform your photos into artistic visual with a variety of creative photo filters. Archive the desired photo effects effortlessly in easy clicks right there as you see there. You can also try the premium for free. Create unique masterpieces with premium access. Push your creative boundaries and explore Pixlr's easy to use tools, templates, elements, and fonts today. Start my free trial. What about the free trial in here? Try Pixlr Premium for 30 days, ad free, no installation, cancel anytime. I mean, it's really cool. You know, here's the difference. If you do the free always, you can start editing, select the photo editor, you can access to Pixlr XNE, basic editing tools, limited set of overlays, limited set of stickers, supported by ads. Free, always. You'll be able to be capable to do this. Now, if you use the 490, which I'm not here to recommend that, you know that I'm always here for the free items, and that's the reason and the main reason of this video. You know what? I am not even gonna actually entertain it. I just actually wanted to show you the free always section, and you'll be able to do that. AI cut out, remove backgrounds, unwanted objects, or a person from your photo with a smart cut out tool in one click. Anyways, and there's more. Let's know a little bit about them. Pixlr Timeline. Level up your designs. Pixlr empowers everyone to create, edit, and share images online with ease throughout an innovative suite of photo editing and design tools, making design smarter, faster, and easier for all. 2008, Pixlr was introduced and founded by Ola Sivanderson. I hope that I pronunciated that correctly. In August 2008, to enable everyone to create, edit, and share images online with ease. 2011. In 2011, Autodesk Inc. acquired Pixlr to enhance its image editing products and successfully boosted its overall user to millions worldwide. Wonder how much Ola Sivanderson took away from her pocket by getting acquired by Autodesk. A lot of millions of dollars, I'm pretty sure. 2018, today, Pixlr is an integral part of the imaging creative ecosystem that aims to make design easy and accessible to all. Since acquiring Pixlr in 2017, Oh, the world's most widely used cloud and mobile photo editing suite has undergone tremendous product development to update its core engine. The updates now include the ability to leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to accelerate and revolutionize content creation. So it is part of Imagine creative ecosystem. 2019 Pixel X, a free and basic online photo editor with easy to navigate one-click AI photo editing tools, was released to make design easy for everyone. 2020 Pixel E was launched, the advanced photo editor designed for more detailed imaging, editing, and pro-like content creation, was introduced to transform simple images into masterpieces with its next level AI editing capabilities. Artificial intelligence, if just in case somebody doesn't know what AI stands for. And this year, still integral still integral to the Imagine ecosystem, Pixlr expands to more than just photo editing, moving into animation and video. Pixlr provides wider services and features to enable users to do quicker and more advancing editing tools. In the market charge a high premium for. Wow, that's really cool. I really went to this timeline because it's good to know what are you up to or what kind of system are you using for and where is it coming from. This is what the reason why I did it. But I just wanted to let you know that you can use Pixlr photo editor, animation and design for free. There are many ways that you can apply this. You don't need to spend money out of your pocket. I just wanted to introduce it to you and I hope that you take advantage of this. Please just to write me down below if you're already using it, up to what extent, if you're a YouTube influencer. Please tell me how is it going so far. Do you like it? Or if you're using it for other purposes, you're welcome as well to write something down below and share it and give us more ideas of what you're using it for so other people can actually go for it. I also wanted to make a notation that FTC for production and myself, we're not being patronized, sponsored, or we don't get paid anyway by Pixlr or any third-party company related with this for us to bring this to you. This is actually voluntarily that I found it, and I thought it would be a good idea to share with all of you to take advantage so you don't spend money with other photo editor in case you're spending money with it when you can use this for free. Okay? Good luck. I wish you the best. I love you all. Stay safe out there and have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me some support. Let's help out each other.